Blooming in the English language. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a beautiful phrase in the English language, to bloom. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know how to use it naturally in conversations. When we hear the word bloom, most of us instantly think of flowers. And rightly so. To bloom in its most basic sense refers to the process of a flower opening up or becoming fully open. Imagine a rosebud slowly unfolding its petals to reveal a vibrant rose. That process is the rose blooming. Now, just like many words and phrases in English, to bloom has taken on a figurative meaning over time. When used metaphorically, to bloom refers to a person or thing reaching an optimal state or the height of its potential. It could mean someone growing emotionally, mentally, even in their skills or talents. For example, when we say, "She really bloomed during her college years," we mean that she grew immensely, be it in knowledge, confidence, or personal development. Let's see to bloom in action, both literally and figuratively. 1. The cherry blossoms bloom in spring, making the park look magical. 2. After attending the workshop, Jacob's passion for photography truly bloomed. 3. It took a while for the new orchid I bought to bloom, but when it did, it was stunning. 4. Under her mentor's guidance, Mia bloomed into a confident leader. And there we have it. The phrase, to bloom, is not just about flowers, but it's also a testament to growth, transformation, and potential in various contexts. We hope this video has shed some light on its beauty and versatility. Remember, like flowers, we all have our time to bloom. Until next time, keep learning and blooming in your own special way.